everyone. Welcome back to another day of phonics. This is day 3 for us, looking at diphthong OI, making the oi, oi, oi sound. Every time you see it spelled OI and OY, it's going to say oi. What's it going to say? Oi. What's it going to say? Oi. And remember, boys and girls, it's sound by sound, blending through the syllable, and then whole word blend here. Ready? Teachers, 3, 2, 1, sound.
B.
Sound. E. Sound. Blend. Bell. Sound. B. Sound.
Boy.
Blend it.
Boy.
Whole word.
Bellboy.
Next word. Ready? Sound. P. Sound. A. Blend it.
Hey.
Sound. P. Sound. Blend it.
Per.
Sound. B.
B.
Sound.
Boy.
Blend it.
Boy.
Whole word blend.
Paper.
Boy. Very good. Sound. B. Sound.
Boy.
Blend it.
Boy.
Sound. I. Sound.
Sh.
Blend it.
Ish.
Whole word.
Boyish.
Very good. Sound. Sound. I. Blend it. High. Sound. B. Sound. Oi. Blend it. Boy. Whole word blend. High boy. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Bell boy.
Paper boy. Boyish.
And
High
boy. What did you notice in this line? Remember, boys and girls, you can hit that pause button, have that conversation with someone in the room, and share your thoughts with that person. Ms. Dikimowicz, what did you notice?
I noticed that each of the words has the word boy, and it has the OY, which makes the oi sound.
Very nicely done. So all of these words have the boy written in each one, and also has the oi spelled OY. Ms. Hernandez, what else did you notice?
These are multisyllabic words.
Yes, these are multisyllabic words. That means they have more than one syllable in it. Let's jump over to line 2. Ready? Sound. Ch. Sound. R. Blend that. Char. Sound. B. Sound. R. Sound. Oi. Sound. Blend that. Broil. Whole word. Charbroil. Woo! Let's go. Sound. Ch. Sound. E. Sound. K. Blend it.
Check.
Sound. P. Sound.
Oi.
Sound. Sound. T. Whole word. Blend that. Point. Whole word. Check. Point. Woo! Here we go. Sound. A. Sound. Blend it. And. Sound. D. Sound. Sound. Oi. Sound. D. Blend that. Droid. Whole word. Android. All right. Sound. I. Sound. Blend it. In. Sound. V. Sound. Oi. Sound. Blend that. Void. Whole word. Invoice. Reread that for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Charbroil. Check
Point.
Android.
And
Invoice.
And teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest, boys and girls, you can hit that pause button for more time. Ms. Hernandez, what did you notice?
They all have the oi spelled OI.
Very good. So all of these words have the OI in it. And what else may you have noticed on those lines or that line? Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I noticed that they all have 2 syllables.
Very good. All of these have 2 syllables. Anything else that you may have noticed?
There's the R-controlled vowel, R.
So we have the R-controlled vowel here in charbroil.
And the CE at the end of invoice.
Invoice has
it sounds like
yes, we had studied that already. The CE is going to make it sound. Anything else that you may have noticed? Does anyone know what the CH is?
Yes.
What is it, Miss?
A digraph, which
Yes,
is
it's a
two letters that make one sound.
very nice. Let's jump over to line 3. Ready?
Mhm.
3, 2, 1. Sound.
Mm.
Sound.
I.
Sound.
D.
Blend it.
Mid.
Mid.
Sound. P. Sound.
Oi.
Oi.
Sound.
Mm.
Sound. Blend that. Point.
Point.
Forward.
Midpoint.
Point. Sound.
R.
Sound. E.
E.
Blend it. Re.
Re.
Sound. J.
J.
Sound. Oi.
Oi.
Sound.
Mm.
Blend it. Join.
Join.
Forward. Rejoin.
Rejoin.
All right, here we go. Sound. Sound.
Ah.
Ah.
Sound. Blend it. Con.
On.
Sound. J.
J.
Sound. Oi.
Oi.
Sound.
Mm.
Blend that. Join.
Join.
Whole word.
Conjoin.
Conjoin or conjoin if we're saying it correctly. Sound. Schwa a.
A.
Oh, I tricked you. Sorry. Schwa a. Sound.
Mm.
Sound. Oi.
Oi.
Sound.
Mm.
Sound. Blend this. Noin.
Point.
Whole word. Anoint.
Anoint.
Read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Midpoint.
Midpoint. Rejoin.
Join. Conjoin.
Conjoin.
And anoint.
Anoint.
What did you notice? And again, boys and girls, you can hit pause. Miss Hernandez, what did you notice?
They all have the oin. O-I-N.
O-I-N, 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 and O-I-N. You nailed it. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss Yakimowicz.
They all have two syllables.
Very good. Let's go ahead and jump into that sentence. Remember, boys and girls, we are being word detectives, and what we're looking for is words that have the O-Y or O-I that make the oi sound. Teachers, when you're ready, show me with your fingers. How many do you see? Boys and girls, hit that pause button so that you can try on your own. I see Miss Yakimowicz has 3. Miss Hernandez has 3. Let's go, Miss Yakimowicz. What is the first word that you found?
Bellboy.
Bellboy. Very nice. Miss Hernandez.
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint. Miss T. Oh my gosh, I think Miss T is with us. Miss Yakimowicz.
Android.
Android. Sorry, Miss Yakimowicz.
That's
Everything else should be high frequency words and decodable words, but let's go ahead and model these words. Ready, teachers? What's this word?
Bellboy.
Checkpoint.
Point.
Android.
Android. Let's go ahead and read this first. 3, 2, 1.
The bellboy had
had
to
to pass
pass
the
the checkpoint
checkpoint
with
with
his
his Android.
Android.
That's very robotic. Can I have Miss Yakimowicz reread that for fluidity?
Yes, and I'll also scoop for Miss T.
Oh, challenge.
The bellboy had to pass the checkpoint with his Android.
Nice, very nice. She did double the work in one shot. And Miss Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No. It's encoding time.
Encoding time. That means take out your whiteboard, paper, pencil, whiteboard marker, whatever you may need. If you're using the Seesaw account, go ahead and hit plus on your journal and get ready. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest lets me know that you're good to go. And remember, boys and girls, if you do not need the scaffolds, that's okay. We're looking at 2-syllable count, 3-syllable count, and 1 4-syllable count word. Here we go. First word, ready? The word is tabloid. Tabloid. Ready? Tab. Oid. Lloyd. Oid. Tabloid. Show me, teachers. Awesome. You got it. Next word. Got a lot of help for this one. Ready? The word is typhoid. What is it? Typhoid.
Typhoid.
Tie. Oid. Typhoid. Teachers, when you're ready. Beautifully done. Next word is bellboy. What is it? Bellboy. Bell. Bell. Boy. Boy, bellboy, teachers. Awesome, you got that right. Jumping over to the 3-syllable count, don't get scared. The word is needle point. What is it? Needle point. Ni, d, ol, do, p, oi, nt, point. E, d, o, p, oi, nt, needle point. Show me, teachers. Awesome, you got that right too. Next word, overjoy. What is it? Overjoy. O, and then ver, joy, joy. Joy, overjoy. Show me, teachers. Awesome, keep it up. Next word. This is a math word. The word is trapezoid. What is it? Trapezoid. Trap, trap, schwa e, zoid, zoid. Trap, schwa e, zoid. Trapezoid. Show me, teachers. Excellent. Keep it up. 4-syllable count. Here we go. The word is boysenberry. What is it? Boysenberry. Boy, boy. Sen. E. Ready? E. And I had to give you that because it's an off sound. Boysenberry. Show me, teachers. Awesome. Yes, that is correct. Sentence. Ready? Remember, if you need the scaffold, go ahead and use it. Hit that pause button and give yourself some time to write it down. If you don't need it, go ahead and write it as I say it or dictate to you. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest lets me know that you're ready. All right, we're good to go. Here we go. The bellboy. Ready? B-e-o, bell. B-oi, boy. B-e-o, b-oi, bellboy. Did a needle point. E, ni, d, o, do, p, oi, nt, point. E, d, o, p, oi, nt, needle point. Trapezoid. Trap, trap, schwa e, z, oi, d. Trap, schwa e, z, oi, d. Trapezoid. For his choice. Ch, oi, ch, oi, choice. Teachers, the sentence is the bellboy did a needlepoint trapezoid for his choice. Do not forget the period. Awesome sauce. Yes, double pat yourselves on the back. Job well done. Boys and girls, come back for another round of phonics, focusing on the diphthong OI. All right, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.